guys, it's me, Giselle, again, and I'm going to be I'm going to be doing my third video. Third cover. Sorry. And this is going to be of Young Volcanoes by Fall Out Boy. Alright, hope you like it. When Rome's in ruins, we are the lions, free of the Colosseums and poison places. We are anti-venom. We're the beginning of the end. Tonight, foxes are the hounds. It's all over now, for it has begun. We've already won. We are wild. We are like young volcanoes. We are wild. Americana, exotica. Do you wanna feel a little beautiful, baby? Oh, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, make it easy. Say I never met her. Lining up the flagpole. We will teach you how to make boys next door out of holes. Tonight, foxes and the hounds. It's all over now, for it has begun. We've already won. We are wild. We are like young volcanoes. We are wild. Americana, exotica. Do you wanna feel a little beautiful, baby? Oh, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. We are wild. We are like young volcanoes. We are wild. Americana, exotica. Do you wanna feel a little beautiful, baby? Oh, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hope you like it, guys. Bye. Please like, subscribe, comment, unlike if you don't like me, and don't subscribe if you don't want to subscribe, or just get a YouTube account. Come on, people, be heard. Like that. Hope you like it. Bye.